Hi guys, welcome to another video of Granny Chapter 2. Yeah, I know. I lost in the last video, but I will win. I will make the helicopter escape. And now I'm looking at I tried like three times, but I didn't succeed. So I'm gonna go easy mode. But now I'm just joking. I'm not gonna go easy mode. I'm gonna go normal. Bro, normal. Okay, yes. Okay, okay. Please. I practiced. I practiced like so many times, but I didn't won. I recorded fucking 5 times, but I didn't won. Please, just win. Okay, okay. So from my practice, I created a little strategy. So from the start, I will go upstairs, and Granny will, chase me. And yep, yes. Okay, let's see what's in it. Oh, that's a weapon key. That's a weapon key right there. Okay. This is my strategy. I need to. Okay. So I'll go in this room and close the door. And look at this. Look at this. When she opens the door, I'll just. Boop, yep. Hey. Like my strategy. Okay. Now I will open this door to get a easier access. Ooh, there's a wrench to get the easier access to the what you call it? Is this the first floor? Ah, yeah, second floor. No, first floor. Okay, yeah, okay, it's first floor. Anything. Okay. Now I'm gonna open this. She's gonna come. I know she's gonna come. Oh, okay, got it. Let's go. Okay. Hey, Granny, where are you? I see you. Hey, yeah. Oh, okay. She's dead now. Well, she's dead, but she's gonna come back. Where's Gramps, anyways? Where is he? Like, where his ears are so like um I don't know. His ears are so like he doesn't even bro. Where is she? I mean, where is he? Like, he can't hear anything, right? That's a helicopter key. Okay, hey, Gramps. Okay. I need your security key, please. Okay. Now I'm gonna roll. Okay. Bro, I hate this guy's bro. Okay, let's check the kitchen. Cutting pliers. Okay, that's gonna be useful. Boat key. Okay, I'm not doing the boat escape. I'm doing the helicopter escape. Helicopter. Sorry, I can't add the effect right now because I would get copyrighted. And here, oh, she spawned so quickly. Okay, um, okay. You know what? I'm gonna make a sound, and she's gonna come to the. Is she? Yes. Okay. And she's gonna come. Okay. Now I'm gonna no grab.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Why? Why? He doesn't even make sound when he walks, and he can't hear anything. Perfect grandpa for you and your mom. Oh, oops, sorry mate, I roasted you. My subscriber. Okay, let's get this shotgun. Oh wait, it's this. No, this is not reloaded. Okay, I think I saw ammo. Yeah, here is the ammo. Yay. Okay, now where is Granny? I'm scared about Grandpa, man. Like, he doesn't even make a sound, bro. I think I saw him in the bathroom. Hello, Gramps? Are you bathing? Are you pooping? Gramps? Yep, okay. And this one, okay. Now, I got a comment like what do you call it? I got a comment like how to do the helicopter. No, how to. No, like the items required for the helicopter escape. Yeah, like, and he said 3 pieces of a picture and some things, that I don't know what I forgot. And okay, let's get this meat over here, cause we don't wanna go in this kitchen room, and this kitchen room is dangerous. Because if we go in here, we got nowhere to escape. Okay, let's go. Okay, I wanna now. I don't know what to do. Okay, you know what? I will place all the pictures. I already placed the. Where's my safe key? Okay, yes. Okay, yeah. Now I'm gonna please Gramps or Granny, please don't spawn yet. I wanna. Okay, let's see what's in this door. No, I'm not doing the main door escape. I'm doing your mom escape, bitch. Okay, sorry, mate. Sorry, subscriber. Sorry, I don't know who you are. No, Granny. No. I hate you, Granny. I hate you. Okay, I'm just gonna, maneuver her. I mean, okay, I don't know what to do, man. Okay, no, Gramps, no, Granny's coming. I'm dead. Please, don't see me. I'm dead. I'm dead. I hate this game. There are 2 people chasing me in a house, and they own this house, and I need to escape. Like, how's that even possible, bro? Like, yeah, they're stupid and they have no brains, but I can't fight back. Like, this character doesn't know how to fight back. Like, this guy's an adult. You know where I'm talking about. Let's put all the pieces together, pieces of picture together. I'm so angry right now. I think the other picture is in the bedroom or the top bathroom. I think it's in the bathroom. Okay. No, Gramps, please don't come in. Gramps, please. That's not right. Okay, it's the wrench. Do I wanna just, never, no. Oh, it's busy. Okay, I made a crease. Okay, I'm gonna go there. Granny's gonna chase me. Granny's gonna chase me now. Please, Gramps, don't come in. Gramps? Is he here? No? Yes, okay. Bro, I got scared for a second, man. I got scared for a second. Okay. I think we all have the. Okay, this is my first time putting all the pieces together. Okay, let's see what the heck is this? The heck? So, okay, if we solve this puzzle, I think we can open the and oh, I think I need to shoot these targets with a shotgun. Yeah, I need a shotgun. Look at it. That's yes, Grandpa. I hate that guy. He hits duct. I think yeah. He commented that I need duct tape, helicopter key, a helicopter manual, and all those things items required for to do the helicopter escape. No, please don't. Please, Gramps. I'm gonna go in this window. Gramps. Did you saw me? Bro, he didn't saw me. He didn't saw me. No way he didn't see me. He's that stupid? Bro, He's stupid. What? He's so stupid. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. He's stupid and his strength is like an lion. Oh, I think I heard Granny's voice there. I think I heard it. You guys can't hear it, right? You guys heard it, right? Yo, Grandpa is sleeping. Bro, that's the first time I'm seeing that. What? He can sleep? He can. Yeah, what? Why he can't sleep? Like, he can dance, he can play music. Okay, Granny, did she see me? I don't care. Yeah, anyways, what I'm talking about? Yeah, Grandpa can, like, turn on the radio, dance. I didn't see him dance, but I know that he dances to the, Granny's house song. Yeah. Okay, I now need the meat. I only need the meat. I don't know what I'm gonna get in the, baby face fucking, baby face trying. Why? Why I'm so stupid? I could have just ran away. And Grandpa was sleeping. Oh man. Okay, this is day 4. I can't let it happen again. Okay, I ain't dying. I ain't dying right now. I ain't dying. I'm not gonna die. This is my challenge. I'm not gonna die. Let's shoot it. Let's shoot this. Wait, does it have infinite ammo? Oh, come on. I need to. This is gonna be hard. And missed. Come on. And boom. Come on. I didn't shoot. Hey, I shoot it. I shot it. Yay. Now, okay. Does it have infinite? Yo, it has infinite ammo. That's awesome. Wait, I can kill Granny and Grandpa 1,000 times. Bro, I'm gonna make a video on that. Killing Granny and Grandpa 50, 30 times, 100 times. That's gonna be awesome. Okay, let's kill Granny and Grandpa. I can kill them infinitely with this ammo machine. I'm gonna call it that, ammo machine. Where's Granny? Huh? Where's Granny? Gramps? Okay, hey, Granny. Good to see you. Okay. Now, where's Gramps? I'm, bro, I hate him. I hate this guy. He just comes out of a room and just doesn't make a sound and just fucking kills me. Okay, and after that, I picked the meat and yo, it's a cobra. Yeah, I picked the meat and I fed it to the babyface crawling thingy. Now I'm just gonna go to open the crates. I don't need that. No. I don't need that. Okay, let's reload our shotgun. Okay, I reloaded the shotgun and oh, there's Gramps. Okay, now where's Gramps? Where is he? He just teleports. Where is he? Gramps? Bro, your wife is dead. Bro, he doesn't even hear when his wife says, hey, Gramps. Okay. 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 Now I gotta go to the, let's see, I knew it was a stun gun. I knew it. Okay. Now I think, do I wanna solve the, not solve it, hit the targets? Okay, and then after that, Granny spawned and I get to kill her. Yay. And then I think Grandpa spawned again. And my yep, yes, there is he. Okay, I think I don't know which gun is best, like the stun gun or the shotgun. I'm thinking the shotgun, but it needs ammo, and the ammo is limited if you have the ammo machine. Yeah, I was looking for the cutting pliers, man. I was looking for the whole house. Okay, let's shoot this target. Boom. Okay, drop the stun gun, get the cutting pliers, and let's just see what it is. Please don't be anything. Why? Why does it gotta be a padlock key, man? Yeah, I opened that cage many times and I didn't know who it was. I don't know who that guy is. I think he's it. And then after that, shotgun, Granny, and Grandpa. Yeah, Grandpa dead, Granny dead. Not actually dead. Okay. Yeah, I don't know who's that guy, but I saw some theories about it, and some say it is Slender. What do you call him? Slender Man. Yeah, Slender Man. Some say they call him Slender Man, Slender's husband, like that. And I still don't know why Granny is connected with. Yeah, okay, yeah, I need this. I was looking for this. Okay, yeah. Anyways, why Granny is connected with Slendrina? I don't know. I'm just looking for the, what you call it, fuse. That thing, fuse. I see it all around the piano upstairs. I think it was. Yeah, it was here. Yeah, yeah, the comment said that you need a what do you call it, fuse for item required for the helicopter escape. I don't know why is it used? Maybe it needs to light up a bulb to, I don't know. Okay, I think Granny and Grandpa spawned. Yeah, I don't know how many times I killed them, but you counted, guys. I don't know how many times I killed him, but you guys counted. Where's Grams? Bro, where is he? Where's Grams? And also, I cut it off some parts because I actually this video is 40 minutes long, but I cut it out and made it into 21. Yeah, I cut in many parts. Yes. So you might, I don't know, you might like it, you might like it, hey, that rhyme, man, that rhyme. Okay, I think I want to kill Granny and Grandpa one more time before I, escape. Do I want to kill them? You know what, let's shoot the target and then kill them. Okay, this is gonna be a long time. Okay, come on. Oh, why patience? Patience. Patience, like I say. Come on. Okay. I wanna make a mess out of shotgun. Hey, come on, pick it up. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Now I wanna kill Granny and Grandpa for the last time before I escape. Wait, I want to see the door. I want to see what the... Bro, I saw a red light and I need this. Oh, yeah. You need that glass fuse for the... Yeah, that's why you need it. But I don't know why do I think the... What do you call it? Helicopter? Oh, nah. Yo, I need to fix this. Oh, I need duct tape. Okay, okay, that's what the duct tape is. Okay, anything? Fuel. I have the gasoline. right here. Oh, can I stop? Can't study here. We can't study. What's this door? Is it lead to a secret room? Oh, it's a shortcut. Okay. You know what? I might as well killed Granny and Grandpa for the last time. My Gramps. And where is Granny? Bro, where's Granny? Oh, got it. And boom. Okay, this is the last step. Bro, what the? Bro, what? I carried the shotgun. What the heck? Okay. Filling up. This is boring. I just want to cut it, but I can't because you guys will say, oh, I used something. I mean, I used a mod. Yeah, blah, blah. Okay, let's use the duct tape. Is this duct tape strong enough to fix the rotor blade? Like, that doesn't work in real life, right? Okay, let's start this bad boy. Let's do it. And just start. Hey, yo, this is awesome. Yo. Okay, come on, fly out. Don't we have a manual? Let's go. Let's go. Where's Granny? Hey, how did you climb up here? Anyways, bye-bye. See ya. Bye, guys. See you in the next video of Granny Chapter 3. Bye.